Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and since it's almost Halloween, here's a couple of good movies that I'm going to rewatch. First one is a Mel Brooks movie with Leslie Nielsen. It's called Dracula Dead and Loving It. It's a pretty good one. It's not Mel Brooks' best, from 1995, I believe. It's pretty good. And another one worth looking at is Fright Night from 1985. And the reason I got this one first was because Roddy McDowall was in it. Of course, he was in Planet of the Apes. Fright Night, 1985. Pretty good. Good vampires. Okay, so today's Zippo is featured in the Indiana Jones movie, The Last Crusade. And right here in this scene, where the place is burning up around him, that is caused, or was caused, by the Zippo. And here it is. It's a genuine Zippo. It's a regular black box. And this sign was pasted over the back. This is not the original box, and it says Zippo lighter, 4-leaf clover, high polish chrome. Just a regular box on the inside. And this is the Indiana Jones lighter from the movie. It wasn't in the movie, it's just a replica of the one that was in the movie. Nice two-sided design with the heavy, or the high polished chrome. And this one was made in J of 23. Stampings are okay. Bradford, PA, made in USA. I think J is October. So that's October of 23. Got a real good opening sound. The regular steel insert lights up nice. And of course, you know, if you watch the movie, it definitely passes the drop test, because this is the lighter, or one very similar, that started the fire. So let's do a lit drop test. And there we go. The Indiana Jones 4-leaf clover, double-sided. Very nice. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.